So in typical fashion, on the road test, the engine light and EPC light has come on. It's first time going on a road test, so I imagine it's going to be something simple or something we've not been plugged in. But we'll get diagnostics and see what's wrong.
So you can see we've got 4 faults, 2 of them we know about because one's for exhaust valve, one's for radar, that's unplugged, and 2 remaining faults for the knock sensor. So we're trying to track down the fault for the knock sensor, and we could remember seeing it when we did the water pump, so we checked his first video to see where the wiring loop went. So as you can see here, it comes out and runs across top of where water pump sits and up towards the passenger side of the vehicle, or where inlet manifold would be. So we followed wiring loom back, and as you can see it's not plugged in. Not sure why it's not plugged in, you'd have to ask Josh because that was Josh's side. So we've cleared knock sensor faults, so now we've got no engine light and no EPC light. So now we need to sort the airbag situation out, so we're going to change the dashboard. Dashboard's not actually that bad to change in a Golf, apart from glove box, which can be a bit tricky apparently.
Right, first what we're going to do is remove all the trims and the stereo, here controls, the vents, and then just see what we can find to take off to make sure it comes out. How are you getting on, Andy?
Mint, really easy, everything just pulls off.
Sounds like you're in a whirl of a time.
Are you about to video me breaking some clocks?
Oh no.
Turns out the gent, alright, it is alright. Go on then. So that's dashboard all out. Not that bad to do, to be brutally honest. A few little hidden screws, one on the centre. Remember to unplug little sensor out at the top. But yeah, that's it, all out. New one back in, we're sorted. So that's new dashboard back in. Callum's just putting a secret roll in. We're going to lift centre console back over. Just slides over the top of the gear stick and under. Just make sure you get your wires where you want them. There is a little sensor in the top there. I think it's for central locking, to be honest. It's a bit of a fiddle, you've got to reach right up the back. Get it plugged in. Yeah. Not that bad, to be brutally honest. It may not be a smart mate. Lift back up, Josh. The other hand unit, really. That's it. That's central there, yeah. Salvage was slightly bigger. Is that other cable one's feeding up? That one didn't know where before. Probably when you use that, it's on that. Looks like the DFG selector plug, doesn't it?
It was plugged in, I unplugged it.
Ah.
It was plugged into that top piece. So when does this just click in here, man?
So I'm going to start it. And this.
Hold on. When do I want to go?
Yeah.
Just don't plug it. And then just want to go back. Slots into the dashboard. Tab rear. There you go.
Yeah, I'm doing.
You put it. I'll have to take it back out.
How many times is that now?
Now the glove box has got. Now the dash has got to come out.
What is it?
This plug's wrong side of dash.
Cut plug, rewire it, cut down.
You should see the size of it.
How many times is that glove box out now?
Yeah, but it's not the fucking glove box.
Too far forward, that's just about for one plug.
How many times you had it out now?
Massive plug. What? 4 times?
How many times you had window trim off?
Window trim? Just me, just one.
Yeah.
How many times have you had that on it?
Mate, once, why?
Yeah.
I don't know.
What are you doing now, Callum?
Go take your seatbelt out. It's
Yeah.
locked.
How are we going to do that?
Raggy.
Yeah? What are you doing, Josh?
You're doing it. Glove box.
How long have you been doing good box?
About 4 hours.
So that's this side all built up. We've stripped seatbelt out, took all trims out, steering wheels on, all clocks are in, all bottom panels are back in, side trims are all back in, heater controls are in. What are you doing, Josh?
I've done glove box 25 times.
You got to take that back out?
No,
How many times would that make it?
I'm not taking it back out.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I can do it by dropping the glove box. Not taking it back out.
Mate, leaving it hanging on one bolt is not taking it out.
The dash is all built back up now. All we've got left to do is the steering wheel airbag, and once that's done, the seat belts. Right, so next piece, the puzzle, is the airbag. This one has come with wiring loom attached because a lot of times that plug does burn out when the airbag goes off, but luckily ours didn't, so we have got a spare loom if we ever build another one. So next we need to do is just find this and undo it. It's just in there. It's just a little tab you pull down and it'll slide out. So that's that one removed. So the only thing we've got to do on this one is plug these two in. So that one doesn't have much slack, so I'm going to plug this up. I'm going to try and plug them in at the same time. That seems very tight, so I'm going to try and do the top one first. I hope that'll give us a little bit of room. Right, that's the top one in. So now I can lift that one up out of the way. Try and get this one in. There we go, it's really fiddly. But we have got that back on. And line it up so it's in the middle. should pop in. Voila, all done.
Next we sent the car off to the body shop, so here's some pictures of it in the process. So as you can see, rear bumper, although it weren't actually damaged or part of a damage from the accident, it has got quite a bit of black appeal. So it's car back from body shop and we picked it up. As you can see, we still need to fit the panels properly and line everything up. So that's it, thanks for watching. If you like the Golf R and like the content, please like and subscribe. Cheers.